So I have officially gotten 18s on my Model Y, hoping for better efficiency, but I got bigger sidewall to protect from, potholes and stuff like that. Overall diameter is pretty similar, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about the creaking sound that Gemini wheels, the 19-inch Geminis, and the 18-inch Aeros make. So the Geminis, the 19s are for Model Ys, 18-inch Aeros are for Model 3, and I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of the creaking. If you hear it, it's probably when you're like backing into your garage. If you have the window down, you can hear it. Or if you're at a drive-through, you might be able to hear it, but it's just a weird, creaking is the best way I can think of it. So I'm going to show you how to fix this problem in like less than 10 minutes for all four wheels. So the first thing you're going to do is you've got to pop these cap covers off. And honestly, you just reach in here, and you can see, you can pull them off. You'll just work your way around. They're gonna feel kind of stuck, and honestly you can tug on them pretty good. You don't want to just leverage one side, so usually I will go around and grab all the corners and pull them off so they look like this. You can see it's separated from the rim. And then once you have all of them separated, you can just grab in the middle and just tug it off. So I'll show you what it looks like after I've got that off. All right, so you can see the rim. This is what the 18-inch looks like underneath. And then this is the hubcap. And the thing that is causing the creaking, let's see if I can get this here, bear with me. Okay, the thing that's causing the creaking are these little tabs right here. I don't know if they are using these for when they make the molds for the rims or not, but on the Aeros, there's 5 sets of them. There's 4 of them in each little segment. So 1 segment, 2 segments, 3, 4, 5. On the Geminis, they're pretty evenly spaced all around the whole wheel. I had to do this on those as well. But anyways, there's 2 ways you can get rid of them that I found. One is you can just grab pliers and go back and forth until they break off. Another is you can just get some of these angled cutters, literally just snap them off. The thing that's causing the creaking is the very edge of it, the flat top. Let's see if I can get a better angle now that I've cut those off. But this flat top here, sorry for the shakiness. This flat top right here, that is coming in contact with the rim right there. And so as it's moving and flexing, it's tapping and it's just really obnoxious. So go through, cut all of those off. Again, it shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. And then hop in your car and try again and see how much quieter it is. Hopefully this helps somebody that has a squeaky or creaky rims. And one last thing to note, this might seem pretty obvious, but a lot of people will see this as an oversight. The rim has a little hole in it for the air valve. So make sure that you put that in the right place and then it just pops back on. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. No, not really, but there you go. Back on just like that. Creak be gone.